Good morning, my dear student. In ninth class, today is my first topic. First topic is the number system. Before this, we discussed some previous thing like digit. The notes is already with you. Digits. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 to 1 is the digit and it is a symbol by which you can make a number. Then after we will start from the natural number. Natural number. In natural number you know that it represents, in the notes it is already mentioned, the set of natural number denoted by n, and it is represented started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and by this way up to infinite. Means a number start from 1 to infinite is called the natural number and set of natural number denoted by n. Okay. Then after whole number. Whole number. The set of whole number denoted by capital W, and it is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here the set of natural number is infinite set because we can't find the largest natural number. We find the smallest natural number 1, but we can't find the largest natural number. In the same way, the set of whole number is also infinite set because smallest whole number is 0 and we can't find the largest whole number. Clear? Then after integer. Integer, the set of integer denoted by z and it is I negative, means set of negative integer, I0 set of 0 integer and I positive set of positive integer, or it will be written z minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 3 and so on. It is set of integer. Here finally you know all the natural number represent on the number line, all the whole number represent on the number line, all the integer represent on the number line. Then after we discuss the rational number. It is our topic, rational number. In your syllabus, the rational number, a number which is in the form of a number which is in the form of P upon Q, where all P and Q are integers and both P and Q are co-primes. Clear? And Q is not equal to 0. Clear? In the rational number, final P and Q are co-prime. In the co-prime means the SCF of P and Q are 1. Clear? And here Q is not equal to 0. Suppose if you have 3 upon 15, it is a rational number, but it's not co-prime because their SCF is 3. Clear? But it is rational number. When you can final write it, then you can write it is 1 upon 5. Clear? Then 8 not means then 10 upon 120 is also a rational number, but if you can reduce it, then you can also reduce. Clear? Then final, in other words, you say one more definition. Are set of rational number, set of rational number denoted by Q. Symbolically, you can write the definition of rational number. Suppose you all are forget, then you can must write it a number which is in the form of P upon Q, where for all P and Q belongs to integer and Q is not equal to 0. Then this is the complete definition of the rational number. Here this means for all. Clear? And this means belongs to. Belongs to. And it is and. You know that why we can make the symbolically and it is not equal to. Then you can define the rational number, a number which is in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. In the rational number, it necessary P and Q are both co-primes. If you can finally write the rational number, it means if you have the rational number and it be simplest, then you can must write it the simplest form. It means they are the in the form of co-prime. Here 10 upon 120 is the rational number, but if you can write it in the simplest form, then you must write it in the simplest form, like it is 1 upon 12. Then 1 upon 12 is the simplest form of this rational number. Then both are the rational number. Clear? And both are called the equivalent rational number. Okay? Now see, digit 0 to 9 natural number, and 1 to infinite whole number, 0 to infinite integer, minus infinite minus negative 2 plus negative including 0, or you say a natural number with plus and minus sign including 0 is called the integer. Then after set of integer denoted by Z, then after rational number, a number which is in the form of P upon Q, where all P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. Finally you say P and Q both are the co-primes. It means the system which is in the form of P upon Q and they are not co-prime, it is also a rational number, like 10 upon 120 is also a rational number. In the same way, set of rational number denoted by Q, symbolically you can write Q, P upon Q for all P and Q belongs to Z, belongs to integer, and Q is not equal to 0. Then after, it is not the complete definition of the rational number. Now you can define one more type. Everyone write the definition in your copy. It is very necessary, because in the mathematics we don't know the definition, then we can't solve the question. Then first of all we must know the definition for better understanding of the mathematics. Then after we can define every terminating every terminating decimal is a rational number, or you can define, suppose it is non-terminating, then you say every non-terminating but repeating means recurring means then after some time it will be repeat again and again. Repeating or recurring decimals are rational number. Now here we discuss some example of the rational number. You know that 1 upon 3 is the rational number, minus 3 upon 5 is the rational number, minus 10 plus 10 upon plus 148 minus 148 is rational number. Clear? In the same way 0 upon 35 is rational number. Then after, according to our first definition, then after every terminating 0.25 is the rational number, 0.9567 is the rational number, and according to third definition 0.33333 infinite time it is the rational number, 0.234234 up to infinite it is the rational number. In the same way 3.67 it is also a rational number. These all are the complete definition and example of the rational number. Then after we know our first topic, insert the rational number between two rational numbers. Our topic, inserting the rational number between two rational number. For this you have three methods. Then first method, we discuss the first method. It is called the mean method. It is not given in the book, but my point of view, you say it is the mean method because you can find the mean of given number. Mean method. Suppose here A and B are two rational number. A and B belongs to Q means A and B are the rational number, and we insert one rational number between them. Then first rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2, and it is the formula for the mean. That's why we call it is the mean method. It is not given in the book, but I can say it is the mean method. Here, then you also follow me. Suppose 3 and 4 are two rational number. Example, or you say 1 and 2 are two rational number, and you insert three rational number between them. 1 and 2 are a rational number, and we insert 3 rational number between them. Then first rational number between 1 and 2, then 1 plus 2 by 2, it is 1 plus 2 means 3 by 2. Then our position of the rational number is 1, 3 by 2 and 2. Clear? Then after we can find the second rational number. Second rational number between 1 and 3 by 2. Here 1 and 3 by 2 by mean method. Then 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 2, or you can write like this, 1 by 2 and in bracket 1 plus 3 by 2. If you have any confusion, then you can see like this. Now you can solve it. Here their denominator is not given, then it is 1, then LCM of 1 and 2. You know how we can solve the fraction. Then by fraction way you can solve. Then 2 1 is 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Then after bracket break, it is 5 upon 4. Clear? In the same way, third rational number between, by which way? 3 by 2 and 2. Third rational number between 3 by 2 and 2. You can must write by which rational number you can insert the rational number. Like here 1 by 2 you can insert 3 by 2. Here 1 and 3 by 2 you can insert 1 by 2. And here 3 by 2 and 2 you can insert a rational number like 3 by 2 plus 2 upon 2. Or you can write like this, 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 2, 2 to the 4 plus 3 7, 1 by 2, 7 by 2, and break the bracket, 1 by 2 into 7 by 2 means 7 by 4. Then the rational number between 1 and 2 is, first rational number is, the circled is the rational number. Second rational number 5 by 4 and third rational number 7 by 4. By this method you can insert infinite rational number between two rational number. Then finally you can say we can insert